Hey there, fellow tool enthusiasts. It's Lee here from Toolworld Pro, your trusty guide to all things workshop tools. Today we're tackling a tool that's long overdue for an upgrade, your wire stripper. So say adios to your old school strippers and say hello to the new kids on the block. Geez, I'm old. Stick around and we'll reveal the ultimate wire stripper you should be eyeballing. Oh, and don't forget, all the links are listed below for your convenience. So if you're into this kind of content, show me some love with that thumbs up button. Now let's dive in. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of wire strippers. First up, we have the grandpa of all strippers, the manual insulation stripper. Guys, let's put this vintage relic to rest. You gotta fiddle with it every time you switch wires, and it's got a habit of tearing up your precious wire strands. Not cool at all. But fear not, we've got some modern magic coming your way. Quick word about wires. They're classified based on 4 attributes: your core material, current capacity, armor, basically defending against the bad stuff like damage and moisture, and that sexy insulation shielding your wire from all kinds of interference. Gauge number? Sure, we've got those too. Lower numbers mean thicker wires, ready to handle those juiciest currents. AWG, well, that stands for American Wire Gauge. From a beefy 0 for 300 amps to a sleek 40 for just a hint of power, less than 1/100th of an amp. Next up, the basic automatic wire stripper and cutter. This little charmer is perfect for getting those smaller wires all undressed, ranging from 10 gauge to 24 gauge. It is really ideal for your tiny wires when you do electronics. Behold the multi-gauge automatic wire stripper. Predefined stripping diameters, no more guesswork, just slide your wire into the right die and voila! Pure stripping bliss. But does it earn its spot as the go-to tool? We shall see. Finally, check out the variable gauge wire stripper. This is the superhero of strippers. It embraces a wide range of wire gauges, applying just the right amount of force. But wait, there's more. It's got a stopper for precise sheath removal if you want to control the length, and a built-in wire cutter, and even moonlight as a crimper if you need one. Alright my friends, brace yourselves for the ultimate reveal. Which wire stripper takes the crown? Let's find out, and remember, if you're craving more hand tool goodness, don't forget to hit that like button and check out our utility knives video using the link on your screen right now. So, who's the lucky winner? For me, the multi-gauge didn't quite hit the sweet spot. It's like a fine wine, you gotta pair it with the right wires all the time. It's a bit annoying if you get it wrong. But for small scale projects, the basic automatic wire stripper swoops in like a superhero. Lightweight, easy to use and accurate, it's got all the charm you need. Now for those of you who deal with various gauges and crave versatility, the variable gauge wire stripper is your perfect match. So if you're itching for a new wire stripper, go all in with this champ. What's your favorite workshop tool? Let me know in the comments below, and who knows, maybe your dream tool will make an appearance in one of my upcoming videos. If you're hungry for weekly tool updates, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out some of my other cool tool videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Here's a little pro tip. So if you want to have a twisted end on your strand wire, take the wire stripper and use it just around about here and just strip just a few millimeters away, but don't pull it off all the way. And then you take the wire and you twist it like so, and there you have it. You've got a twisted end ready to be dipped in tin if you need it, or just go into whatever plug you're using. See ya.